Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix WhatsApp images not showing in gallery. First, you're going to need to go into WhatsApp. And for example, I will open this chat right here. As you can see, I've been sent a photo. And if I should go into my photo gallery, and for this example, I go into WhatsApp. As you can see, the image isn't saved. And even on my camera rolls or download, you can see that the image isn't saved. Now, the reason for this is because media visibility is turned off. To fix this, you'll simply go back. Then you're going to tap on the three dots in the top right-hand corner. And you're going to tap on settings. Then you're going to select chats. Then right where you see media visibility, you're going to turn that on. And you can see here, show newly downloaded media in your phone's gallery. You want to ensure that that is enabled. After you have done that, I would normally recommend that you turn off and on your device. And then from there on, whenever someone sends you a photo or a video, it will automatically be saved or show up in your phone gallery. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to fix WhatsApp images not showing in gallery.